Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the language of the Aegean application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the More button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then you should scroll down to the bottom and tap on Settings. Now click on the third option, Language. As you can see, the default option is English, but you can change from these other languages, and all you have to do is just simply clicking on the relevant one. And when the checkmark icon appears in the right side next to the language, it means that the language of the app has been updated automatically, as you can see. So just simply go back to this section if you want to change it anytime. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.